We often get comments on our channel regarding stocks versus share. So we thought on creating a video explaining the difference between two of these would be helpful. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will look into the topics that confuses many people, the difference between stocks and shares. Let's break it down in a simple terms so that you can understand it easily. But before we begin, please remember to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you never miss any updates coming from our channel. Let's get started. Shares and stocks are terms often used interchangeably in the context of investing, but they have a different meanings that is important to understand. Shares. This term refers specifically to the unit of ownership in a single company. Each share represents a fraction of the company's total stock. Stocks. This term is a broad category that refers to the ownership in one or more companies. When someone talks about stocks, they are generally referring to the collection of shares they own across different companies. For example, consider a company, Infosys, which has issued 1,000 shares of a common stock. If you buy 50 shares of Infosys, you own a specific portion of that company, 5% in this case. Here you would say, I own 50 shares of Infosys, or you would say 5% of Infosys stocks. If you also own shares in other company, let's say Wipro, you might say I own stocks in both Infosys and Wipro. This illustrates that stocks can refer to your total ownership across multiple companies, while share specifies the unit of ownership in a particular company. In summary, while all shares are stocks, not all stocks are shares. Understanding this difference can clarify discussion about investment and ownership in a financial market. I hope this clarifies the concept of shares and stocks for you. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.